I'll just wait for the notification. Okay, let's start from the customer. Oh, I think that's at your on mute.
Hello, my name is Tatsat Tendulkar and I am the customer for this project.
Ruchit?
Hello everyone, my name is Ruchit Patel and I will be software developer for this project.
Hi, my name is Devansh. I'll also be a software developer on the team. Yunshin?
No, I'll be a software developer of this team.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and I'm also a software developer for this team.
Hi, I'm Yata Jane. I'm also a software developer on the team.
Thank you, everyone. I think someone has a little static on their mic. So let's mute our mic till we have to talk. Okay, so during the last meeting, we completed the low fidelity diagram and user stories with estimation for solo travelers, and today we'll be focusing on group travelers. For group travelers, all the functionalities from solo travelers will be there, with some additional features like sharing the trip to members on their emails, and also having a list of all the attendees for the trip. So keeping that in the mind, we'll start developing those user stories on this low fidelity diagram. Okay, so team, what would be a good place to manage all the people that is coming onto the trip? So here there's a creation trip user story, and here there is a viewing the trip.
Can you share your screen, Devansh?
Oh, sorry, I thought I was sharing it already. Okay, I'll repeat myself then. Here there's a create a trip user story, and here is the view the trip information user story. So I think we can branch from somewhere here to add the list of attendees for the trip. Okay.
What if we can add? What if we add members in this box? Edit trip, add days, edit days, and
Here?
yeah.
We can also do that, or here it wouldn't be any difference since there is only one branch to this. So it will not matter if we put it here or here after this or this story. Okay, so the box is add list of attendees for the meeting. And I'll also copy this. As a group traveler, I hope everyone can see that. I want to add list of okay, and box can be from somewhere here. Does that look good?
Yeah. Can you remove the notes from that?
Oh yeah, sorry. Notes and estimation, right? Any notes to mention over here, or is it good? And there should also be a function to see all of the attendees during the viewer trip. So I should also add a branch over here, right?
Yeah.
So this can be as a group traveler, I want to
I want to see the list of attendees. List of
okay, I want to see the list of attendees for each trip. And that could be available from viewer individual trip. Okay. And there should be one more feature to share the PDF of the trip to anyone that he requires. So we can add a branch from here, right? Okay.
send the trip PDF.
Okay. I want to send the trip.
Can you write? I want to share the trip PDF or.
Sure. I want to share the PDF, trip PDF to any email and with
My friend.
emissions and to any email is good, right? Because we want to send that PDF trip to our emails and not to actual users. Okay, and this should be also available for over here, convert to PDF, or do we want that after creating the whole trip they can go and do viewer trip and then they can send the PDF details, or do we want to add it over here also?
In the edit, you want to put the share PDF in the edit option? Edit?
Over here, after we have same branches over here, so view trip and convert PDF, and we also have that over here. So we create a trip and PDF, so we can also add that sharing option over here if required.
We can do that.
Okay, so any other features that we are missing for group travelers, which differentiates them from solo travelers? Anyone has any other ideas that they would like to share?
The shared trip will be only the part that we can share is only the PDF, or the rest too, like the other travelers can edit and this other stuff.
No, We are just
Just-
doing PDF because
Only
of
the PDF.
complexity. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we are just doing PDF so that it's less complex. Or we would have to add additional features like sharing access. So not only
Okay.
some people can edit or some people cannot edit. We would have to add that. So we are just doing sharing PDF. So they can still like share the entire itinerary to people
Okay.
and still not mess everything up. So. Oh, okay, yeah, Richard,
But
that's it.
just on the part of the edit trip,
Mhm.
can we also put like add attendee or add other traveler or on the add day?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Can we put add person or
Yeah,
add traveler? I don't know.
yeah, we can do that. Add attendees.
what was the functionality again?
So we should also have an option to later go on into edit the trip and add attendees after it has already been created, right? So we can add it over here, and we should also have a functionality to add it later on if required.
Makes sense.
Actually, so over here we'll do same as the other thing. So add
Add
edit,
or
delete.
remove.
Yeah.
You can add or remove person.
Yeah. So add, edit, and delete attendees.
Yes.
Let's see, color I want to. Add, edit, and delete attendees, and we'll have that functionalities from viewing the trip attendees. Anything else? That was a good one. Thank you, Amanda. Okay. If we are good, we can move on to the story estimation. And I'll stop the recording for now and explain what we will do for that. Please, Satsat, go ahead.
Okay. So for this meeting, we'll be deciding on the estimation points for the role of the group traveler. For this particular topic, on the count of 3, we will all present our estimates. So 1, 2, 3. I present an estimate of 5 points.
4. I think most of us agree with 4. So yeah, we'll go with 4. Moving on to the next part. Sorry. Okay. That's it. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Sending the trip PDF to an email. So on the once again on the count of 3, we'll all present our estimates. So 1, 2, and 3. I estimate a difficulty of 3 points.
Oh.
Make 5 points.
I think yeah, the average
On
is
average,
coming
I
on
guess
to the
4
5.
points.
Yeah.
We take an average of 4.
Okay, I think it will. Yeah, we can do average of 4 or 5. Any reason to take 4 or 5 if anyone has any reasons for giving their study estimations?
To be honest, I don't know what technologies we will be using to convert the HTML to PDF format, so I just wrote it 5.
I think the technology in terms, yeah. So to convert the PDF, we are already doing it over here. So it's not related to that, but more related to just sending the email through the application. So I think the average that came out to 4 is not that bad of estimation.
Okay.
Yeah, we can go with 4. Okay, and we have 3 more over here. This one is a little bit different than adding, but I think we can give this automatically a 4 due to it being similar to the one over there.
Adding the
And
list. Right?
yeah, and this one can be similar to this one. So both the sending the trip PDF to email should be same. So this one should be 4 as well. And the last one that's remaining is just viewing the list of attendees.
We can just write 3 maybe.
Let's do the same method. Like let's check everyone's opinion.
Okay.
So that's it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
For this method, once again, on the count of 3, we'll all present our estimates. So 1, 2, 3. I estimate a difficulty of 4 points.
I wrote 2 because I don't think it's gonna be as difficult as editing and deleting everything.
Yeah.
So I give it half of that. But if anyone has any counterpoints, please.
Yeah, I think it will be the same as viewing the trips.
Viewing the trips. But viewing the trips has a lot of components in it, while viewing the
Yeah,
attendees is
so-
just a list of.
Yeah, so I
on-
think it will be this like
Same, yeah.
similar.
Similar. It can be similar. Sure. Yeah. 4. It can be similar then.
What-
Okay.
Like, what was the final count?
I think we should give it a 3 because it is similar to viewing a trip, but it will not be as complicated as viewing a trip because a trip has a lot of information in it. So this can be a 3, somewhere in the middle. So it shouldn't be as hard as adding or deleting the attendees. It should be lower than this, and it should be somewhere similar to this. So I guess we can take the middle ground and go 3.
Okay.
So those are all the New Year user stories marked in blue. Thank you whoever changed the color for that. And now we can know like exactly which user stories we have added to the solo travelers. And this will be functionalities for it. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Yeah.
you.